Guys, I'm going to show you how to make clear ice cubes for your scotch or whiskey coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, what we're doing here is we're making ice. I know that doesn't sound exciting, but for people who enjoy their scotch, their whiskey, any of their cocktails on ice, this is what you need to watch right now. I love my scotch. I love my whiskey, all right? And I don't drink it neat. I love ice in it. But the ice that comes out of your ice maker or, you know, the tap water ice, you know, it can change the flavor because there's so many different minerals and impurities in there. I make my own ice from my whiskey, okay? I want to show you how to make that clear ice. I can get behind the science of it, but you don't really need to know that, all right? You want to know how to make clear ice, that's why you clicked on this. The science is what it is, all right? We're freezing it, and I'm going to show you how to make clear ice. We don't have to, you don't have to Bill Nye the Science Guy on it. You guys just want to know how to do it, so I'm going to tell you how to do it. I want to show you how to do it and do it now, okay? It's a 24-hour process. We have our little Coleman cooler. All right, it's just a little 6-quart. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can get your own from Amazon. Again, you don't have to pay anything extra on Amazon. A little percentage goes back to the channel, okay? So we're gonna get you over onto the counter here. I'm using bottled water and I'll explain why. But this is gonna be a quick video, but you know, it's gonna take some time because we need 24 hours in the freezer, all right? Simple as that. Get on over the counter over here. So we have our lid right here. I took the lid off of the little cooler. Okay, so we're gonna use bottled water in here. I don't want to use tap water. You know, tap water obviously is, you know, supposedly clean enough to drink, but I want to get as many impurities out of it. So I would use your filtered water from your refrigerator, or I'm gonna do just some drinking water from the grocery store. So I got 6 bottles here. I'm gonna pour them all in. You wanna leave about 1 inch or so. So you fill it up to about 1 inch or so. You don't need to see me pour all these in there. Okay, all done. We got about 1 inch left in the room on top. Took 7 16.9 ounce bottles. So you're just your normal drinking waters that you'll get at the grocery store or Costco, whatever. We have some nice clean water in there. I forgot to mention that I did wash and dry this thoroughly out of the package. I don't know if that needs to be said, but yeah, there it is. All right, so we're gonna get this in the freezer for 24 hours. Okay guys, our 24 hours is up. The one thing you wanna do is let this kind of get some room temperature to the outside so it kind of, you know, it's going to release naturally in there. Do not try to like pry it off. Okay, the next thing we do is make sure you're over a sink. Okay, this is going to make a mess. I mean, it's going to be a watery mess, but it's going to be a mess nonetheless. I have my cutting board at an angle so the water flows off. You're going to have water that's going to leak out of this. Okay, that's what you're waiting for. You see the water draining out of there. All right, so we're gonna pull this off. Look at that. Okay, now we have our serrated knife. We have a little mallet. This is a little meat tenderizer. You could use a rubber mallet if you need one, but we're just gonna crack off the top parts here. Make sure your cutting board doesn't go flying. Just gently, like, just breaking all the pieces off the top, but gently enough that you're not trying to break the ice that we're using for our glasses. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is take our serrated knife and just lightly shave off this excess over the top. And what you got there, we got a little air bubbles trapped in there, but this is as clear as you're gonna get. You can see it right there. You see my hand through it. We're going to get probably 12 blocks out of this, 3 little cuts along the way here, and then 2 along the way this way. So what we're gonna do is just start kind of scoring into it. Okay, then you're gonna take your mallet. Remember, use a rubber mallet or a wooden mallet. Do not use like a ball peen hammer. Well, they all can't be perfect. Shit. Oh well, guys, you get the gist of it. Be careful, this is sharp, so just a couple taps. There you go. Now, I'm not doing perfect squares here. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for something that can fit in my glass and be clear. But you get the idea. And again, if it's too big for your glass, just use your serrated knife. Alright. Well, it just so happens to have a glass right here. You got your crystal ice. Sometimes perfection is unattainable. Perfect. I meant to do that. That one too. Killing myself here. Alright, I'm gonna get the rest of these cubed up and get them stacked up. We'll come back and talk about it. Alright guys, we're back. We are done with our ice. We've taken a picture. Hopefully you clicked on that wonderful thumbnail. It turned out awesome. I actually made myself a little cocktail here. Cheers. Oh, that's good stuff. Anyway, obviously this takes 24 hours, but it is easy to do. Like I was saying before, perfection on these ice cubes is unattainable. Doing it the way we're doing with a mallet and a serrated knife, but you get the gist of it. You get that you got some clean, clear ice. It's not going to taint your drink. It's not going to change the flavor of it. It's just going to keep it nice and cold. So that's it, guys. If you'd like to get that Coleman cooler, like I said, link will be below from our Amazon store. You don't pay anything extra, but the channel gets a little bit off of it. All right. Also, if you want to become a member of Patreon, I'll put the link right here. There's little tiers that'll give you little benefits of being a member of CJ's crew. It's just a little monthly subscription fee. Check it out. Also, we have our Cooking with CJ merch. Hit the Teespring links down below. Check it out. That's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for making ice with CJ. Take care.